राय वेधसे रघुनाथाय नाथाय सीताया पतये नमः। भगवत्यै सीतायै नमः। भगवते हनुमते नमः। We are on page number 84, the last portion of the page number 84. सोह शैल गिरिजागृह आए, जिमि जनु राम भगत के पाए। नित नूतन मंगल गृहतासु, ब्रह्मादिक गावहि जसु जासु। जैसे ही शैल सुता, जैसे ही गिरिजा वहाँ घर आती है, वहाँ पहुँचती है, as soon as she comes there, everything is auspicious. Moment the girl, that is the Sati has now she is reborn as now Parvataputri. Right after the birth, everything seems to be glowing. Everywhere there seems to be happiness. Every single part of nature wants to come and participate. Everything wants to contribute to that particular house. Soha saila girijagraha aaye, jimi janu Ram bhagati ke paaye. It's exactly appearing as though if a person in his life attains Ram bhakti, his face will start glowing. His entire limbs will start looking very, very different. The person who has attained Ram bhakti, so also the house is looking. Nitya Nutana Mangala Grihatasu. Every day, every moment, there is Mangala in that house. Every day, there is something beautiful to be heard of, something nice to talk about. Brahmadik Gavahi Jasujasu. That kirti, that fame, which is sung by all the kavis from Brahma. From Brahma, beginning from Brahma, every single scholar, every single poet wants to sing about the glory of this house now. पार्वती जी के घर आ जाने से पर्वत ऐसा शोभायमान हो रहा है जैसे राम भक्ति को पाकर भक्त शोभायमान होता है। उस पर्वतराज के घर नित्य नए नए मंगलोत्सव होते हैं जिसका ब्रह्मादि यश गाते हैं। Everybody is singing the glory of this house because of this. It looks so nice to see that house itself. नारद समाचार सब पाए, कौतुक कहीं गिरि गेह सिधाए। शैल राज बड़ आदर कीना, पद पखारि बर आसनु दीना। Whenever such a thing happens, definitely one person will be present there somehow or the other. That is Naradji. Because Naradji is a Nitya Sanchari. He is a Triloka Sanchari. He is the Manasa Putra of Bhagavan Brahma. So he is a Triloka Sanchari and he will definitely come to know. So he wants to come there now. Narada Samachar Sab Paye. Kautuka he means without any particular purpose. Kautuk mane, there is no particular purpose. Now he is coming there. The purpose is naturally dharma only. The purpose is naturally ananda only. So Kautuka hi Giri Geha Siddha. He came to Giri, the house of Parvataraj. He come and reached there. Sail Raj Bada Adar Kina. Parvataraj Himalay. He welcomed him. With lot of respect and washed his feet. Did Pada Puja to Naraj. Padapakhari Bar Asana. He gave him a beautiful asana to sit down. नारी सहित मुनि पद सिरुनावा, चरण सलिल सब भवन सिचावा। निज सौभाग्य बहुत गिरि बरना, सुता बोली मेली मुनि चरना। What a wonderful, happy atmosphere. Naradji has come. Nari Sahita Muni Padasirunava. Mena is the wife of Parvataraj. Mena Devi. She is the wife of Parvataraja Himalaya. So he calls her also, come let us do pranam. Nari Sahit Munipad Sirunava. Both of them have done pranam. Charana Salila Sabu Bhavanu Sichava. After the Pada Puja, they got the water, they took it and sprinkled all over the house because it's so sacred. Naraji has come. Nija Saubhagya Bahut Giri Varana. What else they will speak first of all? Giri Maharaj, that is Parvatara says, there is nobody who is as fortunate as we are. You have arrived at our home. Very, very fortunate. He's going on describing his fortune. I am very, very fortunate. Then he called the daughter also. He called Parvataputri, Girija. That is Girija is Girija. Giri means Parvata. Ja means daughter. Girija. So he called her and said, you also have take pranams. Do pranams to Naradji. Trikalagya sarvagya tuma गति सर्वत्र तुम्हारी कहु सुता के दोष गुण मुनिवर हृदय विचारी. Very, very traditional house, beautiful Bharatiya tradition, you see. And he said, after calling the daughter and asking her to do pranam, the Parvataraja says, hey Munivar, aap trikalagyo sarvagya hai. You are a person who knows all the three times, that is past, present and future. And you know everything about what has happened. And aapki sarvatra pahunch, you can travel anywhere. Nobody can stop you anywhere. You got the free access to any world you want. अतः आप हृदय में विचार कर कन्या के दोष गुण कहिए. Please, why don't you tell us about the future of this girl, future of my daughter? You tell us. कह मुनि बिहसी गूढ़ मृदुबानी सुता तुम्हारी सकल गुण खानी सुंदर सहज सुशील सयानी नाम उमा अंबिका भवानी. What a joy, with what joy he is expressing everything, you see. Kaha muni bihasi gudha mridubani. So Muni has just smiled and he is saying with a very, very secretive, at the same time very meaningful, very sweet voice he is saying, Sutha tumhari sakal gun khani. Your daughter is a complete storehouse of, treasure house of all good qualities. Your daughter is a treasure house of all good qualities. Sundara sahaja susila sayani. She is very, very beautiful, sahaja, natural in his decision. She doesn't put on any airs. She's got all good qualities and very knowledgeable also, samajhdar. And she has got many names. You can call her by all these names. Naam Uma Ambika Bhavani. You can call her by the name of Uma. You can call her by the name of Ambika Bhavani. You can call her. These are all beautiful names for her. Sab Lachan Sampanna Kumari Hoyi Santata Piyahi Piyari सदा अचल एहि कर अहिवाता एहि तेजसु पैहि पितु माता. Sabalachan Sampanna Kumari. She is completely equipped with every single, every single quality. There is nothing lacking in her at all. Hoihi santat piyahi piyari. She will be always dear to her husband. Always dear to her husband. Sada achala ehi kar ahivata. And iska suhag sada achal rahega. She will always be a suvasini. She will always be a suvasini. She will be suhagan. She will always be a suhagan. और इससे इसके माता पिता यश पाएंगे. And you, both of you, father and mother, are going to get a lot of wonderful fame from this girl. होई पूज्य सकल जग माही एहि सेवत कछु दुर्लभ नाही एहि कर नाम सुमिरु सुमिर संसारा त्रिय चढ़ी हई पतिव्रत असिधारा. Again remember the tradition, what is explaining the tradition. She will be honorable, venerable, respectable, worshipable all over the world. Everybody will respect her, honor her, in fact worship her also. And to worship her is not at all a difficult fact, because she is very, very easy to worship. Just by taking her name Durga, that's enough. Everybody will be, they will attain all the auspiciousness. And just by remembering her name, all the girls and kanyas and wives in the world, they will be able to maintain their pativrata dharma very nicely. Just by remembering this Devi's name, every girl, every married woman will be able to maintain the pativrata dharma, which is like a sword. Talwar, it's like walking on a talwar. They will be able to maintain that dharma very nicely. सैल सुलक्षण सुता तुम्हारी सुनहु जे अब अवगुण दुई चारी अगुण अमान मातु पुत पितुहीना उदासीन सब संशय छीना. Whatever is happy, I have already told you. Now listen to something, one or two things difficulties she is going to face in life, or what one would call as a little inauspicious, I'll tell you. As though in a Gudvani, it's a secretive word he is using, something what one would call as inauspicious, something what one would call as inauspicious. I will tell you those also. Hey Parvatraj, तुम्हारी कन्या सुलक्षणी है. She has got all the good qualities. अब इसमें जो दो चार अवगुण हैं, इसमें दो चार अवगुण हैं, one or two अवगुण हैं, what we could call as bad or what we would call as not so auspicious, उन्हें भी सुन लो. I will tell you all those of them, please listen. गुणहीन, मानहीन, माता पिता विहीन, उदासीन, संशयहीन अर्थात लापरवाह, जोगी जटिल अकाम मन, नगन अमंगल वेश, अस स्वामी एहि कह मिलहि, परिहस्त असिरेख. Unfortunately or fortunately, she is going to have a husband who is devoid of any good qualities, gunaheen, and manaheen. He doesn't have anything what he calls as abhiman, self-respect. And he doesn't have a father and mother also. And he doesn't mix with people. And then he is absolutely casual in his life. And he's a yogi, and he has a jata. And he doesn't have any desire at all in his heart. And he is a digambara only. And he doesn't wear on any beautiful clothes also. This type of a husband she is going to get, it is written in her hand. That is the type of husband she is going to get. So Naradji has said this. Suni muni gira satya jiya jani, dukh dampati uma harshani, नारद हूँ यह भेद न जाना, दशा एक समुझब बिलगाना. Narad ji, the moment these words were said by Narad, both the parents were very, very sad. But Parvati is silently rejoicing there. Parvati silently rejoicing there. She is very, very happy about this one. In fact, even Naradji did not know what exactly it meant. Naradji also was not aware that this what the rekhas are saying, hasta rekhas are saying, what exactly to whom it is actually pointing to. He also could not make out. So he also was a little serious about it. नारद मुनि की वाणी सुनकर और उसको हृदय में सत्य जानकर पति पत्नी हिमवान और मैना को दुख हुआ और पार्वती जी प्रसन्न हुई। नारद जी ने भी इस रहस्य को नहीं जाना, क्योंकि सबकी बाहरी दशा एक सी होने पर भी भीतरी समझ भिन्न भिन्न थी। देखने में तो outer looks may be similar to everybody, but actually what is there inside, what exactly it means, nobody can understand. Not everybody understands. सकल सखी गिरिजा गिरि मैना, पुलक शरीर भरे जल नैना, होई न मृषा देव ऋषि भाषा, उमा सुवचन हृदय धरि राखा। सारी सखियां, ऑल हर फ्रेंड्स, पार्वती, पर्वतराज, हिमवान और मैना, सभी के शरीर पुलकित थे। एवरीबडीज बॉडी इज नाउ एक्चुअली what you call as overwhelmed. They are all overwhelmed, but for different reasons. Parvati is overwhelmed because of the positive she knows. All the others are overwhelmed and in tears because they thought that this means something else. और सभी के नेत्रों में जल भरा था। देवर्षि के वचन असत्य नहीं हो सकते, यह विचार कर पार्वती ने उन वचनों को हृदय में धारण कर लिया। Because the words of देवर्षि नारद cannot go wrong. It is a satya vachan, siddha vachan. So she very happily kept it in her heart. उपजेउ शिव पद कमल सनेहु, मिलन कठिन मन भासंदेहु, जानि कुवस्कु अवसर प्रीति दुराई, सखी उछंग बैठी पुनि जाई। नो उपजेउ शिव पद कमल सनेहु, शिव के चरण कमल में, on the lotus feet of Shivji, Parvati's love is increasing every moment. It's increasing every minute by minute. It's increasing. Milan katin man bhasandehu, but she also had that how is this going to happen? Because the Leela of Shivji nobody can understand. How is this going to happen? In what manner it is going to happen? That doubt was still there in her mind. So, but at the same time, the words of Bhagavan Narad cannot go wrong. Avasar theek na jankar. Now instead of, she could have expressed this to everybody. Actually I know what is happening. Actually I know what is happening, and I also know that everything is going to be true. And I also feel the intense love for Shiva, but she did not express it to anybody. She just went and, just like a Kanya girl, how she behaves, she went and just fell into the lap of her friends. She fell into the lap of her friends. फिर वे सखी की गोद में जाकर बैठ गई। झूठ न होई देव ऋषि बानी, सोचहि दंपति सखी सयानी, उर्धरि धीर कहई गिरिराऊ, कहु नाथ का कर्य उपाऊ। देवर्षि नारद जी की वाणी झूठी नहीं होगी। The वचन और the words of नारद जी cannot go wrong. ऐसा विचार कर हिमवान, मैना और सारी चतुर संख्या चिंता करने लगी, because he has exactly spelled it out. Narad ji has spelled it out specifically that this is how the husband is going to be. So everybody was very much worried. फिर हृदय में धीरज धारण कर पार्वती जी ने कहा, हे नाथ, कहिए अब क्या उपाय किया जाए। No, na, Parvati is up. She is speaking to her own, in her own mind, to Lord Shiva. You have now, in some manner or the other, ordained now. Now what exactly should I do now? What is my duty? Give me the light upon this one. We will pause here. बोल सच्चिदानंद भगवान की, पार्वती माता की।